Hello everyone, welcome back to the Rancho's classes. So let's have a today's video on the SAP websites. This is going to be series D and episode 3rd. From the today's points, we are going to cover SAP key websites, how we can use those websites, what is the purpose and benefit of the SAP websites. At the last but not least, but for this video I am going to launch one of my miscellaneous series that start with us still to cover many things. Okay, so stay tuned with me. So let's close the first question. Introduction about some of the SAP websites. So if you see my first part of the slide, there are 3 websites: SAP Wikipedia, then the company profile website, or we can say this is the main website provided by SAP, then the SAP LinkedIn profile. On the second part in my slide, you will be able to see some links that belongs to the job portals where we can apply the job based on our relevant module. We can search, we can explore the current opportunities with the help of these links. Now if you see the company profile, the link I have just segregated the another link that relates with the SAP jobs actually. So this is the below link is again from the SAP main website only. Please note, every company does have career section on their website. So I have extracted this the specific job career section from the SAP main website. I'll show you in a minute, just stay tuned with me. The next question comes to everybody mind, how we can use the SAP key websites. So let me explain these websites in bit detail for you. So first I am going to explain SAP Wikipedia. So simply you need to click on the link. The moment you click, this will be your landing page, where this page will start about the key information about the SAP. If you see the left middle, then there is a content. This content is having around 28 pointers. These 28 pointers are going to explain each and every corner of the SAP. It also includes the history as well. If you see the right side of the corner, where you will be having what kind of the type of SAP company, traded as, industries, when it was founded, the headquarters, key served areas, key people, it will also give some more insight about the financial factors as well. If you see the right bottom side of the slide, you will be able to judge the SAP presence from the financial standpoint. This is how we can use SAP Wikipedia, this link. Very quickly, I am going to click the SAP main websites. So dear friends, this is the main website of the SAP. On this particular website, you will be having few options like products, industries, services and support, learning, community, partner and about. I'll be spending much more time on this website because this is one-stop solution for all your questions. All your questions, I mean to say, if you want to explore more about trainings, you can use this website. Certification, this is your solution. If you have any doubt about the SAP, then this website is going to help you out. If you see who all are the partner I mean to say the certification partner or any other business partners, again this website will answer each and every question that belongs to the partners as well. What kind of services are there, what kind of support is provided by SAP. This website is one-stop solution for all these kind of queries. Okay, so stay tuned with me. Let me quickly go back to my slide. So this is the LinkedIn profile. In case if you have your profile in LinkedIn, maybe you can use this website in order to explore more about the SAP, or it will also give you some insight about the current openings as well. If you see the second part of my slide for SAP jobs, again there are few links which I have provided for your quick reference where we can apply for the open positions in SAP. Okay, so first link again coming from the SAP main website. So let me flip back to the SAP main website where we will be covering the complete website. I will try to cover but this is a very huge platform, so I'll just give you the best idea so that you can also explore the website from yourself as well. So let's start with the products. What product says? So since SAP is compatible to provide all kind of functionalities in any typical organization, if any organization have around 50 or 60 different functions, then SAP 100% compatible to handle those functions from the ERP standpoint. Hence they have also mentioned this is A to Z products are available in SAP website. But for your quick reference, we can see the ERP and finance, CRM customer experience, supply chain management, human capital management, business technology platform, and many more. This filter is based on the products. Next filter is based on the industries. So if you see this page, maximum industries are there. Okay, so SAP also provide the ERP services at the industries at the industry level as well. Next is service and support. What kind of services and support provided by SAP? You can explore that the content from this page. And then the learning, where we can find the learning, the SAP learning journeys, training courses, SAP certifications, SAP Learning Hub, SAP free training with Open SAP, user adoption solutions, many more actually. So I'll be back on this page because I want to spend 5 minutes so that you will be having better understanding about the SAP. Then the community, this is one of my favorite page on the SAP website. If you have any question, just open your Google, type the question. The moment you type the question, the moment you receive the the output from the Google, then you need to just raise that website that start with the community.sap.com or sap.community.com, something like that. That is, again, that information is coming from this website, and that is 100% authenticated by SAP. That is authenticated by SAP. Okay, again I am saying, so if you have any question, if you have received some information over the Google and that information is coming from the community SAP or SAP community, then definitely you can use that information for your further reference. On the next portal, the partner, where we can find the partner, become a partner, creation my solution, SAP kind of awards, already in a partner, so we can use that kind of services from this partner tab. Okay, under the about, we can explore more about the SAP from the historical standpoint. The same Wikipedia informations we can still we can explore that information in the SAP website as well. Under this about, there is another section that belongs to the career. Here you can see the job search, or you can also use this career button as well to apply for the open jobs. But please note, these jobs will be in the SAP. If you want to apply for the consulting firms like Accenture, Wipro, IBM, then you need to visit that their company websites, their their career section in their website, where you can register yourself and you can apply for the jobs. So this is how we can explore the job. If I'll go back to the learning section, so these from the first option we can find the learnings, what kind of learnings or what kind of trainings we are looking after, so we can use this option. Then learning journeys, what kind of journeys are there in SAP platform, we can use this option. What kind of different training courses are there, what is SAP certification, what kind of fees are there. Maybe I can just open this and I'll explain you the different the options which are available in SAP to complete the certification. Then the learning hub, under learning hub we will be having around 14 days of trial period, and after that we need to pay some fees in order to continue the learnings. SAP free training with the Open SAP, this is a platform where you can validate your knowledge. You can also do some free of course certifications as well, but again you need to register, and this certification is not equal to the paid certification. This is just to test your the knowledge area, that's all. But if you want to have actual consultant or actual certified consultant, then definitely this page is going to help you out. Okay, so maybe browse available certification. I'll go here and I'll show you the list of certifications which is available on the SAP platform. Meanwhile, I'll show you the SAP Learning Hub. This is the Learning Hub where we can extract or the knowledge which is available on the SAP website, but definitely we need to pay something. Here you can see, try the necessary edition for free. We can also explore for the free, but again there will be a 14 days period of time where we can use SAP software as per the SAP terms and condition. You need to register yourself, then only this website will work and these courses will work for you. This is how this is, I think, not working for this point of time. Let me quickly check again. Okay, so now it's working. So on this page I'll be able to see the different certifications here. So for my interest, maybe I want to check the detail for the procurement maybe. So I'll search PRO. Here you go, SAP Ariba procurement, and there are 30 items available with this keyword. Maybe I'll search sourcing and procurement implementation. Procurement S/4HANA sourcing and procurement. Okay, maybe I'll check S/4HANA sourcing and procurement here. So if you click on the view details, this is live demo from the SAP website. So you can also use this website to explore more about your planned certification, then what would be the terms and condition, what would be the fees. So on the screen you can see this much of amount plus taxes you need to pay if you want to have 6 attempts in a year. But if you are confident, then you need to pay this much of amount plus taxes for 1 attempt. Okay, this is how you can see the certification part as well from the SAP website. So we have just checked the SAP certification, we checked the SAP Learning Hub, we have also gone through the SAP free training with OpenSAP. Maybe I'll just take you through once more so that you will be having better understanding how we can start. So for this website, if you scroll it down, there will be a comparison. From this option we can visit the OpenSAP website separately, but still I was looking for one table. Yeah, this is that. On this table you will be see the different comparison between OpenSAP, which is free of cost, SAP Learning Hub, where the 14 days are there as a trial. After that we need to pay money. Then instructor led SAP trainings. So these three the segments has been divided over the skill level, delivery type and method, and portfolio coverage. Okay, so these are the key benefits, and at the bottom of this table you have 3 different links where you can explore more about the different topics, either for OpenSAP, for SAP Learning Hub. If you want to explore more, you can use these 3 links. Okay, so let me open this the first tab for your quick reference, and after that maybe the remaining 2 you can just explore from your side. In case if you have any questions, please feel free to use my comment section, or you can also send the email at ranchosclasses@gmail.com. okay, so the moment you click on the OpenSAP, this is the home page, and we can see there are some options where we can explore about the OpenSAP, what kind of different channels are there, what kind of courses are there. Courses are again divided into 3 lines: current courses, upcoming courses, and self-paced courses. So you need to decide what kind of current courses are going on. If you want to enroll yourself on the upcoming, maybe you can use the middle option. If you want some that is that relates with yourself, maybe you can just use the third option as well. Then the micro learning, again the courses will be defined at the MOOC concept. So those courses will be there at the micro learnings. Then we do have podcast. Under podcast we can listen the stuff. Okay, so if I'll go to the micro learning, so this will take few seconds in order to redirect into the the micro learning website. Just stay tuned with me. I would like to cover as maximum as I can for you, but still, in case you got any question, please feel free to use our Gmail address, that is ranchosclasses@gmail.com, in order to gain the answer of your queries. We will try our level best to answer your questions or your queries as much as possible. Okay, so if I'll go back to the home, if you scroll down, then there will be some couple of videos which you can explore. Then if I'll click on the micro learning, the logo page, still there is no change, but on the home page there are a couple of videos which I can explore. Maybe quickly I'll go, as for HANA Cloud, I can see what kind of cross topics are there: deployment, SAP design by business by design, HANA Cloud. There are many more actually. So I would suggest to spend some quality time on this website, and definitely you will be having the answer of your questions. Okay, so let me quickly go back to my slide. Where is that? Okay, so we have covered the SAP job, this SAP, the main company profile website, along with the career section of the SAP. In the similar fashion, if I'll click on the naukri.com, it is very easy and very familiar platform in order to explore jobs. So you need to just simply go to the search option. Maybe I'll start from the home. So this is the home page of the naukri.com. Here I'll try SAP MM. Okay, and just hit enter. Maybe you can also provide some more details, like what kind of locations you were looking. So maybe I'll just type Bangalore. Okay, so just modify search. Around 1782 jobs are there for SAP. Okay, so if I'll remove MM, and if I'll remove the location, and if you are fresher and if you are looking for the job in SAP, you can see around 20,729. This is just from the Naukri.com. Still we have many companies. If you see the screen, HCL, Accenture, IBM, they does have the career section in their websites, and there will be huge opening at the companies as well. They might not be using Naukri.com platform for the hiring, but for sure they will be posting those jobs over their website or in the LinkedIn as well. So I'll suggest to create your profile immediately in the LinkedIn and try to find the right the opportunity, so that you can grab that opportunity to build your career. Okay, this is my personal suggestion to everyone. And for Naukri.com registration, you have to complete your CV and you have to do the registration first, and then only you will be able to see the right opportunity for you. Here you can see for Accenture there is a job that is around 2,665. For SAP Labs again it's 1,065. So we just check. Let me quickly verify how many jobs are there in the SAP website. Just give me 1 second. Maybe I'll just quickly go here. I'll type the India location and let me see how many that open positions are there. You can see the 866 positions are there in India itself. That belongs to SAP. If I'll compare this, the same thing, with the Naukri.com, then the positions are around, where is Naukri? Okay, around 1,065. There might be some expiry job, but still we can use this platform to apply for the jobs. For IBM 237. Similar fashion, you can visit the company specific, their websites, their career section in order to apply the jobs. Okay, let me go back to my slide quickly. So this is a LinkedIn profile. If you have registered user over the LinkedIn, maybe you can use this link in order to apply for the SAP jobs. Then the company portals. Again, I'm mentioning every company does have their dedicated career section in their websites. Please visit and register yourself in order to gain the right fit job for you. This is my suggestion. Then the next slide would be what is the purpose and benefit of SAP website. It is very easy to understand. So if we use the SAP website, the information would be accurate because that is directly coming from the SAP company itself. Second benefit would be we will be having the latest update. The third point would be if we are using company information, if we are using SAP website, then definitely we will be staying up to date. Hence, we will be having right kind of update at the right point of time. At the fourth point, everything will be as per SAP standards. Again, if I'm using SAP website, that means I'm thinking in the SAP ways only. That means I'm following the SAP standards. There is no customization in my thought because I'm using SAP website and the website is operated by SAP, and that again the website is operated by SAP with the SAP standards. Okay, so we will be staying at the SAP standards. At the point fifth, which is my favorite, one-stop solution for the trainings, for certifications, for learnings, for explore about the products. If any company want to implement SAP, they can still use the same website in order to explore the right fit for their company as well. Many benefits from the SAP website. So I would suggest to spend some quality time on the SAP websites in order to explore more about the SAP. If you got any doubt, please feel free to reach us at ranchosclasses@gmail.com, or you can use the comment section as well. Now, this is time to announce my miscellaneous series. Here you go. If you learn some dedicated module, right, SAP MM, SD, PP, or might be any other module, right, but there are some key topics which might be which might not be the part of that routine classes, like how we can explore the tables, what are the positive tricks where we can extract the data without asking anyone, right, what kind of T codes we can remember. If T code is not in our mind, how we can track that T code from the SAP itself without asking anyone, how we can track the changes made by someone into the system, right. These kind of things I am going to cover in my miscellaneous series. So in the next video, I am going to launch the dedicated series for the miscellaneous series, so that you can track that miscellaneous series. If you are working professional or if you are fresher, that is going to help you out for sure. This will be out of box for sure. So stay tuned with me. Just keep watching the SAP this Rancho's classes SAP videos. This is going to enhance your career skill for sure. That is our main objective. Thank you so much for your time. Again, I would like to repeat, in case if you have any question, please reach us at ranchosclasses@gmail.com. Meanwhile, please subscribe my channel in order to get the timely notification. You can also follow us on the Instagram page as well. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy.